The English subject pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Of course, we use you when we are talking to one person and when we are talking to more than one person. We use these pronouns when they are the subject of a verb. She hates mushrooms. You have eaten the chocolate. In English, we also have object pronouns. An object pronoun is a type of personal pronoun that is normally used as a grammatical object, either as a direct or indirect object of a verb, or as the object of a preposition. The 7 basic pronouns take on different forms when used as object pronouns rather than as subject pronouns. I becomes me. You becomes you. This rule applies for singular and plural forms. He, him. She, her. It becomes it. We, us. They, them. The subject will be the one doing the action the verb describes. The object is a noun or pronoun receiving the action. Consider the sentence, "The boy helped friends." In this sentence, the boy is performing the action, which means that the boy is the subject. If you want to use a pronoun to replace this subject, choose the best subject pronoun for this sentence. He helped friends. The object of this sentence is friends, as it's receiving the action of helping. To replace friends with a pronoun, choose the best word from the list of object pronouns. The boy helped them. Once you have identified the objective noun, you will know which word can be replaced by an appropriate object pronoun. Just like subject pronouns, object pronouns can be singular or plural, masculine, feminine, or gender neutral. The masculine or feminine subject pronoun is used whenever the gender is known. When referring to the weather, temperature, time, an intimate object or a child or animal of undetermined gender, the neuter form, it, can be used. We use object pronouns for the object of a verb. Amanda kissed you. The teacher dropped it. The children love us. We use them after preposition, including after phrasal verbs. It's important to me. We have a preposition in this sentence, and after prepositions, if we want to use a pronoun, we use object pronoun. Look at her. The chocolate is for him. Can the children come with you? We use them after be. Am is are, was where. Who's there? It's me. This is her. It was him. We use them with short answers. Who's there? Me. Who ate the cake? Him. I'm tired. Me too. With short answers, we can also use a subject pronoun plus a verb. This sounds a bit more formal than the object pronoun. Who is there? I am. Who ate the cake? He did. Because the tense is past simple, we use the auxiliary verb which is used for past simple. I'm tired. I am too. We use them after as and than for comparison. She's as tall as me. He is taller than her. We use them after but and except. Everybody went home early but me. Everybody went home early except him. In conclusion, an object pronoun is not the subject of the sentence. It is usually the object that is affected in some way by the subject of the sentence. It might be tricky to get a handle on this definition, but you may be surprised to discover just how many object pronouns you use in your everyday life. We covered all the important points. Thank you for supporting our channel. That means a lot to me. See you soon.